Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the TCL QM851G, one of the most impressive TVs on the market right now. We'll cover everything from its picture and sound quality to its gaming capabilities and smart features. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The TCL QM851G sports a sleek, bezel-less design with textured edges, giving it a premium look. It's available in sizes ranging from 65 inches all the way up to a massive 98 inches, catering to a wide range of preferences and room sizes. Moving on to picture quality, this TV really shines literally. It features Mini LED technology with a Hexa Mini LED chip design, which allows for incredibly bright and detailed images. In our tests, it reached peak brightness levels that surpass many other TVs on the market today, making it perfect for both bright and dark room environments. The local dimming is also excellent, delivering deep blacks and vibrant colors, comparable to top-tier OLED displays. For HDR enthusiasts and gamers alike, the TCL QM851G doesn't disappoint. It supports Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and HLG, ensuring you get the best possible HDR experience across different content types. Gamers will appreciate its 120Hz refresh rate, which can go up to 144Hz, and HDMI 2.1 ports with 4K 120Hz support. This means smooth gameplay and reduced input lag, especially with features like Game Mode and Game Accelerator 240. Now, let's talk audio. The TCL QM851G features a robust 2.1.2 channel speaker system designed by Onkyo, with Dolby Atmos support. During our testing, we found that it delivers clear dialogue and immersive sound, enhancing your viewing experience without needing external speakers. In terms of smart features, TCL has moved from Roku to Google TV with this model, providing a seamless and user-friendly interface. It supports AirPlay 2, Chromecast built-in, and voice control through Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity ensures smooth streaming and smart home integration. Lastly, let's discuss the value proposition of the TCL QM851G. Despite its high-end features, this TV remains surprisingly affordable compared to its competitors in the premium TV segment. Whether you're a movie buff, gamer, or simply looking for a versatile smart TV, the TCL QM851G offers exceptional value for money. To sum it up, the TCL QM851G impresses on all fronts, be it its stunning picture quality, immersive sound, gaming prowess, or smart features. It's a testament to TCL's commitment to innovation and quality in the TV market. If you're in the market for a new TV that combines cutting-edge technology with affordability, the TCL QM851G should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech products. See you next time.